How to use American Express gift card on PlayStation Store. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll address using an American Express gift card on the PlayStation Store and its feasibility. I'll explain how to utilize various payment methods on the PlayStation Store for purchasing games, expansions, and add-ons. To begin, open the PlayStation Store on the PS4 or PS5 and add items to your cart, and then proceed to the payment section and proceed to view your cart. Then after, proceed to the payment section. Under the payment method, click on Add Payment Method option over here. You can attempt to enter the American Express gift card details. However, in most cases, you will receive an error message stating that the card is invalid for this purchase. This is because American Express gift cards, being virtual prepaid cards, are often not accepted by online retailers like the PlayStation Store. But you can try. In reality, these gift cards are usually not valid payment methods on such platforms. The intention of this video is to inform viewers that the American Express gift cards are generally not usable on the PlayStation Store despite following the steps. If this clarifies any doubts, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.